الألماني. احنا شركة مصر البحرين وفي شركة أولجر في الخليج البحرين. بنشتغل في مجال التكييف كله من أول ويندو تايب لغاية الإشعارات طبعا. مش عايز أطول عشان بس الوقت كمان. المهندس مصطفى حمد طبعا هيقدم المهندسة زليخة أو المهندس خلال تدريس الدور كده عن المصنع والحاجات كلها في التكنيكال بعد كده. المهندس مصطفى حمد هو مسؤول.
مساء الخير يا جماعه، انا مصطفى حمد مدير مركز مصر البحرين. مين هي مصر البحرين ومين هي والجلف؟ وايه الفاسيلتيز اللي بنقدمها وايه الادفانتج اللي في المنتج بتاعنا؟ احب انا امثل المهندسه زليخة سينيور سيلز مانجر مستر رشيد المانجر دايركتور هناك. هيتكلموا عن المنتجات بتاعتهم ويعرفوكم المصنع.
انا وكنت في المصنع بدأت كنت بتسمع عنك. كده البرامج اللي معايا هتبقى جايبه الناس كلها. خلاص مش معلش انا اسف.
السلام عليكم. الدكتور هشام صفوت، الباشمهندس محمد حيدر، الحضور الكريم، نمسي عليكم ونشكركم على وقتكم. أنا بمثل شركة أوال الخليج للصناعات. اليوم احنا بنحاول نعرفكم بشركة أوال الخليج للصناعات، رغم أنه وكيلنا المعتمد في جمهورية مصر العربية شركة مارشال برئاسة باشمهندس أيمن الحمادي تكاد تكون غنية عن التعريف، ولكن للجماعة اللي معانا ما بيعرفوا السيت اب في البحرين، احنا I will give you an introduction على المصنع. زميلي سيد أجيد بانيكر اللي هو heading البرودكت مانجمنت بيعرفكم اليوم، يحكي على الVRF، لأنه احنا اليوم داخلين على مرحلة وين الVRF is taking more and more importance في الماركت تبع التكييف. Our Gulf Manufacturing is a Bahraini company. We are proud to say that we are producing and manufacturing in an Arab country and exporting to Arab countries and non-Arab countries. تأسست الشركة. I will be talking English and Arabic if it's okay. Okay. So تأسست الشركة في 1970. احنا بدأنا بالويندو اير كونديشنينج، وهذه كانت بداية التكييف. بداية التكييف كانت بالويندو. وبعدين انطلقت الرحلة في انه we develop and design new products ونتوسع في مجال التكييف. As you can see on the screen في few of our milestones. 1970 كان تأسيس شركة أوال الخليج. لمدة 25 سنة احنا كنا بنصنع ويندو، وبعدين أضفنا طبعا residential split air conditioners. الجروث تبعنا كان بطريقة انه اضطرينا احنا نفتح مصنع جديد في 1995، واللي هو الحين يعتبر المركز او المقر الرئيسي لشركة أوال الخليج. دخلنا على refrigeration. We did the air conditioning, then we opened lines for the refrigeration. So after in 2005 we have started a manufacturing plant for chest freezers, a separate one. And in 2001 we have started producing commercial air conditioning. While I'm saying commercial air conditioning, طبعا I mean the rooftop package unit, the central ducted split, واللي هو في منطقة الخليج is a number one product. In 2010, because we were experiencing a growth of 100% year over year in terms of commercial air conditioning production, we have opened a new factory. فتحنا مصنع جديد اللي هو يعنى بس للتكييف المركزي، ونصنع فيه rooftop package unit, central ducted split, air handling unit, air chillers, and so on. في 2019 we had we were proud to say إنه إحنا we installed in our market in Bahrain 1 million units. يعني in a span of almost 30 years, إحنا we have installed. Are you able to hear me? The voice is okay. In a span of almost 40 years, we have installed only in Bahrain 1 million units. In 2020, the entire world has experienced the outbreak of the coronavirus, and even though it was a difficult year for everyone, but we have managed to launch 6 new products during the corona time, and we have even started a turnaround strategy in 2021, and we are continuing in this way. طبعا احنا كشركة we value it's very important for us the quality, the performance, the reliability of the product, and it is only that because we care about the quality of the product that we are still working in the field of air conditioning, even though there is a fierce competition in the market. طبعا Awal Gulf, in a nutshell, it's a company with over 1,000 employees, 3 factories. We export to over 40 countries. We are manufacturers for OEMs, and we have official distributors in almost 30 countries, and we have locally over 20 dealers. In 2020, we have launched, because of the coronavirus, we have launched an air purifier product for which we got the manufacturer of the year. This air purifier was meant for hospitals and for any places welcoming public, like offices, waiting rooms, etc. As I was saying, we have 3 factories, and those 3 factories, we manufacture refrigeration product, we manufacture air conditioning product, residential, light commercial, and commercial. As you can see on this slide, I will try to give you an overview about the product we manufacture, and you can see them downstairs in our hall. You can see that we have on display a lot of our products, which you can see even inside the unit because we have samples in see-through format. So in the residential, we manufacture wall-mounted, cassette, flexi-type. That in the light commercial, we manufacture the ducted split units, and we do also manufacture freestandings. In the residential, in the light commercial, in the ducted, maybe we are the only ones here in Egypt to provide ducted split with scroll compressor with a piping size that can reach 50 meters. I don't think that we have a competitor on the length of piping. Those units can be side discharge or top discharge. We also, as I said, manufacture commercial products. The commercial products start from the package unit. Package unit we manufacture from 3 ton to 120 ton of refrigeration. By saying 120 ton of refrigeration, I'm saying 1.4 million BTU. The product we manufacture, the package unit, can be recirculated, is our standard, but it can be also totally fresh air, 100% fresh air, and we can tailor our product to the specification of projects. For any information on the product, you can please visit our booth in the exhibition. We also manufacture VRF system. We don't say VRF because it's a patent, but it's a variable refrigeration system. Mr. Ajit, my colleague, will give you, will introduce the product to you and speak about the importance of this product. We also manufacture air handling units, both DX and chilled water. We manufacture chilled water fan coils, both decorative and ducted type. We manufacture air-cooled chillers. We are proud to have recently supplied Al-Arish Hospital with 3 air-cooled chillers, 200 ton each, with a total capacity of 600 tons of refrigeration. And as also I have mentioned, we have special products like air purifier, and we have refrigeration product. This is the chiller I was talking about. It has been commissioned recently, and we were graced to have the visit of His Excellency the President of Egypt to the hospital to inaugurate the hospital. We have served over the 53 past years all the segments of the industry: residential, commercial, government, healthcare, education, hospitality, you name it. You can see on the display some of all the projects in Bahrain. Actually, in Bahrain, though it is a small market in terms of size, we are the market leaders. I think we have a problem with display. Sorry for the disruption, but I can still tell you that in the market of Bahrain, though it is a small market, we are the market leaders. We control almost 72% of the market share. We are present in all the segments of the industry, whether it's healthcare, it's automotive, any kind of industry you can think of, we are there. I will wait for the display to come back. In Egypt, we have also achieved a great project with EB air conditioning under our brand name Marshall. We have supplied units in the new administrative capital, but not only that, we have supplied units to the hospitals, for the malls. The ministries, I mean, even in the CBD, which is where we have the iconic tower, the central business district in the new administrative capital, we have supplied products. We have in Egypt units installed from different ranges, light commercial, applied, and sorry for the interruption. Thank you. Okay, we're back. So, as I said, we supply to different segments of the industry. Yeah. Okay, great. Of course, today we are in Egypt, and it is about Egypt that we are talking. And as I have mentioned earlier, we have supplied units for the new parliament, for the central business district, the ministries complex, banks complex, and so on. We have even supplied to others, to shopping malls, cinemas. In Cairo Festival City, I think we have done 95% of the air conditioning in the SFC, and we have also executed project for the hospitality segment and for the educational segment and for hospitals. All this was possible because we take very seriously the product development and the quality of the product. And as you can see, we have in our own facility in Bahrain 4 labs up to 60R, where we can, psychometric labs, where we can test our product. And we have 1 lab where we can test commercial product up to 25TR. We are ourselves accredited ISO IC 17025 by EIC, by the Accreditation Center in Dubai, by JAC KSA. We are audited yearly by ESMA, which is the standard authority for the United Arab Emirates, and SASO, which is the standard body for Saudi Arabia. It's important to note that we manufacture both 50 and 60 Hertz products, which makes our range of product very diversified. We are an ISO certified company, and as I have mentioned, we have different accreditations in the region. We come from the Gulf region, and in the Gulf it is a regulated market. Even Egypt is a regulated market. And we are meeting all the standards for the countries we export to. Our chilled water fan coil are Eurovent certified. All our coils are ASHRAE certified. You can witness this by yourself by visiting our booth. Of course, we have a strong presence in the social media, either in our base in Bahrain or through our partners in the countries we export to. Recently, we have been graced with the visit of His Highness the Minister of Industry of Bahrain, and this is part of the agreement which has been made with 4 countries, which is Bahrain and Egypt, United Arab Emirates, and Jordan, in the spirit of promoting the commercial exchanges between these countries and extending the cooperation in terms of industry. Today we can proudly say that with our partner in Egypt, we have started an assembly line also in Egypt, and we hope that with our experience in the manufacturing industry, we can bring an added value to the market of air conditioning in Egypt. We believe that the employees of our factory are our most important asset, and with this we have always organized award ceremonies to encourage our workforce, because without our workforce we wouldn't be reaching all these heights. I would like just to highlight that our partner in Egypt, EB Air Conditioning, are a very successful, very professional, very committed company. And with them we have achieved many milestones. They have been awarded the Distributor of the Year for the excellence in their work. We also work on CSR level. We partnered with the Training Institute. We receive engineers from India and from other countries to get training in our factory. I thank you for your attention, and I hope that I have given you an overview on our factory, Awal Gulf Manufacturing in Bahrain, and I will leave the podium to my colleague, Mr. Ajit Panikkar, who will be presenting a technical presentation about the VRF system.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ajit Panikkar. I am responsible for product management of Awal Gulf manufacturers in Khulal. Let me start with the manufacturing, about the details of our factory. Then I will take you through the products, and I will give you importance of VRF system in the air conditioner. We have 3 plants. The first one is exclusively for the residential air conditioners, and the second one which is for the chest freezers, and we have another plant which is of 52,000 square meter in the area where we are making the central air conditioners of higher capacity up to 200-ton chillers. And about the product design and capabilities, we have test labs, 5 labs, 4 labs up to 6 ton, and 1 lab up to 25 ton, which can test for all these standards. And we have design development softwares. We use it for various kind of products. For package unit, we use Unilab Shark. For AHU, we have application software and chillers, fan coil simulation, and we do 3D modeling with Pro Engineering. And SolidWorks also we use 2D CAD for the electrical drawings. About the product lineup for the room air conditioners, in the fixed speed sector we have window, high wall split, cassette up to 4 ton, flexi type up to 3 ton, floor stand up to 5 ton, and ducted up to 70,000 BTU. In the case of inverter, we have high wall split up to 3 ton, cassette up to 4 ton, both rotary and scroll, and heat pump is also as an option. Ducted up to 5 ton with the rotary compressor and scroll compressors. Product lineup for the commercial air conditioners, we have rooftop package up to 90 ton, unitary range 3 to 25 ton, applied 3 ton, 30 ton up to 90 ton, and ducted split unit with the matched set of 4 ton, matched set of indoors and outdoors from 4 ton up to 25 ton, and 30 ton to 120 ton as a standalone condensing unit, which can be connected with any age. Then we have chilled water fan coil unit, which is Eurovel certified. The maximum CFM is 2100, which is equal to 6 ton. We have air handling unit, AHU, up to 40,000 CFM, then chillers up to 200 ton. And we have a special product which is to promote the indoor air quality, which is developed during the Corona time. This is with the HEPA filter and UV light with carbon filters. This is what Zulekha was saying. We got CPI award for the best manufacturer of the year 2020. And we have another special product is the swimming pool chiller, which is to cool or heat the water in the swimming pool. The tonnage up to 15 ton. And for another product, again it is a special product to cool the water tank. The water in the residential application, the tonnage up to 3 ton, 36,000 BTU. And one of the main product for us is the rooftop package unit. We have various kind of package unit to cater to main all regulations of the GCC countries. UAE models, this is for ESMA and Estidama, 4 ton up to 60 ton, 3 ton up to 90 ton was there as a, now it is a non-regulatory product which is with the R407C, which is in the phasing out stage. And 3 ton to 25 ton is Kuwait model, which is for MEW standard. It is giving 1.4 kilowatt per ton at 48 degree ambient. Then we have 3 ton to 5 ton Bahrain. This is certified by EVA. Then we have 3 to 30 ton Saudi models, which is SASO. Then 35 to 70, again the maximum capacity is 70 ton, which is Saudi exclusive product for the Saudi Arabia, meeting the SASO standard. Then we have 3 to 45 ton and 50 to 120 ton non-regulatory products which can be given to any non-regulatory countries. Then recently we launched a product 3 ton up to 27.5 ton, which is Phoenix series, very compact package unit, which can be the main focus is for the containerization and cost impact, and this will give the capacity which will work up to 52 degree ambient, but energy efficiency is 9.5. That is the standard, compromising on the energy efficiency, but this product is having very low footprint, which can be more commercial product, which will not give certain features like heat pump and fresh air application, but this can be used for most of the non-regulatory countries. We have received many orders from India, Pakistan and many non-regulatory, and even from Bahrain also. This we launched last year. Next is the VRF unit. This is, we call it as AVR. We have launched it in 2021. I will take you through more details about the VRF system. We call it as AVR, Aval Variable Refrigerant System. The main challenge what we face, what HVAC industry is facing, is the global warming and ozone depletion. And we know EER, energy efficiency, is going to be the most important feature to be given for the air conditioning system. And the buying power nowadays globally is equal to the higher level of comfort in the HVAC industry. So to address all the issues, we have developed the AVR, which is the VRF system. And the technology versus vertical market segment, the scenario is, see, when we take residential villas, we have split system, multiple system, and mini VRF systems, and large VRF system is growing in the rate of 18% year on year. So there is the importance of VRF, high efficient product, and mini chillers. From technology point of view, light commercial split, large ducted split, small rooftop in the residential, and light commercial and large rooftop package in the large commercial building. Applied systems, air-cooled scroll chillers and rotary chillers, absorption chillers, these are at the large commercial buildings. But we can see that VRF is growing in the state in the rate of 18% year on year. So this is the importance of the VRF. We also developed in 2021, and we are receiving many inquiries for the last 2 years. And from the end user concept, when we take it in the residential or commercial segment, the main function which the user expects is the flexibility, comfort, compact design, sound level, smart systems, and the life cycle cost. This is the reason for, and this is the actual strength of the VRF, and we developed these products to address these issues. When we talked about our AVR, the unique innovations, lineup and capability, I will take you through the capacity range. We can provide the VRF system with the maximum tonnage capacity of 78, that is 96 HP, 32 HP into 3 ton modules, 3 modules. That is the largest in the industry. And we have 13 sizes starting from 8 up to 32. So 8, 10, 12 HP in one kit, 14 and 16 in the other kit, 18 and 20 in the third kit, 22 HP in one kit, 24, then 26, 28 and 30, 32. This is the last kit, the dual compressor with the dual fan combination. So the maximum, there are 13 single modules, and when we combine, maximum it can be 96 HP, which is equal to 78 tonnage. The main feature is it can work up to 55 degree ambient in the case of cooling, and in the case of heat mode, it will work between minus 30 degree up to plus 30 degree. So this shows a wider operation range. And the other feature is the piping flexibility. When we take the distance between indoor and outdoor, when the ODU is above, it is 100 meter, and the largest level, that is the largest level, when the ODU is in the down, this is 110 meter. And largest level difference between the indoors are 40 meter, and pipe length can be maximum 200 meter between the farthest IDU and the first ODU branch joint. And the equivalent pipe length is 240 meter. Pipe length from first IDU joint to the farthest is 40, and the last is 90 meter. This is another flexibility in the piping, which is one of the most important features we are providing for our VRF system. And the certification point of view, at T1 and T3, T1 is 35 degree ambient, T3 is 46 degree ambient. The EERs at T1 and T3 degree is at the range of almost 11.6, and maximum is 12.4 in T1, and 8.5 up to 10 in the case of T3. These are qualified for MBW Kuwait and ESMA, UAE, and SASO, Saudi Arabia. The key technologies, we use a DC inverter scroll compressor and powerful plate heat exchanger for the part load conditions, and the vapor injection system is helping for the enhanced performance, and the heat exchanger surface with this, which is G-shaped condenser, that is also providing us high efficiency. And the sensor is sensing between each and every 10 seconds, it senses the pressure of the system. Features and options, reliability. The system is always modulating in the range of for the evaporator as well as for the condensing temperatures as per the cooling demand. The power saving module is, the capacity can be started from 40% of the rated up to 100%. And another feature of reliability is the backup operation. Here we can see when the condenser, any one of the module is off by any means, the other two will work with the simple settings. So the user will not get disturbed with the system issues. And when an indoor unit fails also, it will, the entire system will work for 8 hours. 3-phase power protector. This can give a wide voltage range from 295 volt up to 456 volt. and we can have electrical load function. The silent operation modes, at night the fan can be, we have a silent mode only for the fan, and for the super silent mode, that is for fan and compressor. And other modes are low cooling, low heating, cooling and heating, VIP priority, that means when the VIP priority is set, all others will follow. Then we have auto mode. Adjustable external static pressure, which is for 80 Pascal. And other feature of service is the rotatable PC board through, and we can see it through the service window. Error code check, function setting and commissioning. Refrigerant status detection, so that there are error codes. The user can know what are all the error codes through the sensors. And indoor lineup capability, we have wall-mounted, flexi, compact cassette rounded, duct low static, duct medium static, and ductable high static. That is up to 56 kilowatt. 100% fresh air units. Then AHU can be connected with our AVR units. And when it comes to the controls, we have a smart technology for the centralized controller with gateways, centralized controllers, and individual controllers with thermostat also. And we have a selection software where we normally make the product selections and submit to the consultants for approval. That's it from my side. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.
بشكركم جميعا طبعا، وانا بكرر شغل الدكتور هشام على السبورت الجامد اللي هو بيعمله لنا، والدكتور المهندس محمد حيدر طبعا. بشكر المهندسة زليخة، بشكر المهندس المهندس مصطفى وكل التيم بتاعنا. ولو في اي اسئله او اي حاجه، النمره بتاعتنا موجوده واحنا موجودين تحت، النمره بتاعتنا موجوده واحنا في المعرض تحت. فاي حد طبعا اهلا وسهلا بيكم في اي وقت. لو في اي اسئله او اي حاجه تحت امركم طبعا، وانتم كلكم اخواتنا. ولو اي حد عايز سبورت في المجال ده، احنا سابقين الدكتور هشام، والدكتور هشام معانا، والدكتور محمد حيدر معانا. اي حد منكم محتاج اي سبورت في موضوع التكييف، او في حاجه معينه في اي مشروع هو شغال فيه، احنا تحت امركم. وبشكر المهندس مصطفى وبشكر الدكتور هشام.
طبعا it was a wonderful lecture. نشكر تيم المهندس ايمن حمادي، ونشكر مارشال. شركه طبعا كبيره ورائده من زمان عندنا في مصر. ومتهيألي لو في اي اسئله دي فرصه حلوه، ولو اي حد عنده اي انكوايري الحمد لله يعني ايمن عمل خطوه اكبر وبقى في مصنع كمان، فالسبورت كل شويه سنه عن سنه بيزيد. طبعا دايما وعايزين نشكر زليخة على Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
لسه عايزين نكرم مستر أجد. Yes. Thank you for your participation and this valuable lecture. We have next seminars and